Oh no.
What's going on? What? That looks so scuffed. Stop it. Stop it. I love Rob Black. Oh shit. Oh. Oh.
It's like a Mexican wave.
Yo, what's up, big boy?
Oh, do you think we could actually do that? Wait, we could actually do that in a line. Okay.
Okay. You're all about your Lord and Savior, Burb boy.
Go to left to right.
You're about me, minions.
We'll go from, I don't know what that is, my right hand side, the silver one to the green one. We'll go that way.
Okay.
Okay, go. No, I went too soon!
No, go! Go! Girl, you fucked it all up!
Okay, let's try again.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Mexican, that's the wrong one!
What the fucking dragon are we doing here?
You're always bow to me. I am your lord, Burb boy.
Again, 1, 2, 3.
I like how lost Hexagon is. Like, he just randomly fucking dies. Come on,
Foul play.
What?
Definitely.
Oh, it smells of death. It smells of death.
I want to have my own little place. Do you get it? Because there was
Yeah.
a Chucky movie.
Yeah.
Foul play.
I got it.
Alright,
Got it.
just making sure we're on the same page.
You'll never leave.
Goodbye, moon man. Goodbye, moon
Never leave.
Fucking slut, dude.
It's like the worst captive I've ever heard. He calls me a slut. Like...
What the? Oh man.
Yeah, the Mulan Dragon's got some edge to it now.
I know, right? It's not Eddie Murphy anymore. It's
Yeah.
Khalifa.
Oh, okay.
Dude, I ain't Wiz Khalifa. Fuck off. I ain't even black. I'm white.
Yeah, Mac Miller's white.
Just said it back there. Yeah, Mac
Yeah,
Miller's
I know
white.
Mac Miller's white, but Mac Miller's trash. Fucking slut, I swear. Get out my way, ho.
Are you showing?
Noob.
Who's mad?
Took my goddamn bucket. Who the fuck took my bucket?
No, I didn't even see it.
Where the fuck is my bucket?
I'm looking through the...
Y'all a bunch of sluts.
Yo, what's up, Jigsaw?
What up?
No, nice. How's the trap game going for you?
Nice.
How many people listening?
Winning. Oh, that's not a section. I'm winning, man. Let's
Nice,
just say that.
nice.
Now it's ruined.
Yeet bucket.
The heat
Aaron,
bucket.
I'm about to actually get a new controller.
If you ever need some like creative ideas, just hit us up, yeah?
Oh no. Is it so far?
Alright,
I'll keep you in mind.
Yeah, it
Thanks,
still randomly
man.
turns me too far. Sometimes the turning cuts off. I have to turn it off.
Do you
go back
say
up
you're
to the
selling
left, get
creative
stuck on
ideas?
animations.
No, just the Jigsaw though, just for traps, you know? Just trap ideas.
Yeah, like 150
Yeah.
Oh, trap ideas.
They're coming out soon, so
Yeah.
I just, I don't know.
I'm looking for some lucrative business investments.
Oh, donate into Jigsaw traps.
Tell ya, murder can be
Literally
lucrative.
per controller.
Funds,
Just
fun,
any kind of murder, or like wonton murder, or murder of specific.
Oculus.
What kind of murder are we talking
Yeah,
here?
pretty much.
Like the kind of murder where you get them in a
That's
situation where they'll die if they don't give you money. That's very, very lucrative.
That's so annoying.
Does that even count as blackmail at that point?
I believe so.
I think
The
that's
muscles are gonna
just
be
armed
super expensive
robbery.
and they're gonna break easy.
Yeah.
And-
Calling it.
What do you do with him after you get the money? Do you just kill him anyway? Or?
They've got to beat the traps. Come on.
Yeah,
Obviously.
Of course. Everything else is fine, and those things only
I mean,
have,
it's not like I'm just
tiny
gonna let them
little
go
sliders,
after that
but
shit.
They actually have like everything else. Everything else.
Well,
Yeah,
why
yeah.
not?
You see, the problem is, like, if I go around trying to rob people, most people don't carry seed around on them, and that's pretty much all I
Yeah,
want.
yeah.
You know.
I would
Money
try.
ain't got
I would
no
try
value.
robbing a pet store. It normally works for me.
Point and piecing and everything, fisting.
I should try that.
Yeah, yeah. You
And
just
I
got.
always just every time I do, I always feel really bad because I see all the puppies in there, and I'm like, oh, I want to adopt a puppy. And, you know,
Yeah, I hate puppies. I
Can't
peck
really
them.
afford that.
I peck them on the way out. Just rip the eye out. Fuck up like that.
well, that's why I would like to adopt one, so I could.
Yeah,
Like, you know, have
save
one
them from
pet.
me. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. You just tie it down.
I'd be too. I'm too afraid of getting eaten to adopt one. Honestly.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe not.
You need to grow some balls.
That's
If
understandable.
you get a golden retriever, those things are just, you know,
If this thing fully breaks, I
I don't think they even. Like,
I have 2 pugs.
you
You
can
know,
put an egg in.
they're easy.
You can put an egg in their mouth.
You can also ride those, like, you
Mm.
know, just hop on.
and then they come out.
To be fair, I
Well, I
think
mean, yeah,
I feel like we
and
could ride most dogs with birds.
Yeah, I mean the thing is, you ain't even need to ride anything. It's mostly you do it as like just to impose your position.
Yeah, it's like a dominance
over
thing.
Them. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the EV3.
I don't even need to ride you. I can though, and I will.
There's actually some people
Mhm.
with chip nose. I think he's trying to get them too that are actually they're getting them and then they're gonna.
You writing all this down,
Are we
Jigsaw?
talking about murder still?
for when they come out.
The thing is,
What
We're still
about
talking about
what about dominance?
you never know what could go
Basically.
wrong when you start shipping them out to
Okay,
everyone.
I'm down.
This is less so murder. This is more so like enslavement.
Well,
Have
see,
you
this
thought
is the
about?
dilemma
Okay,
here.
what if you shot them with a gun?
It's really hard to shoot with a gun when you're a bird.
Freak you out.
It's like you have to make it like.
right
But
behind
Jigsaw
you.
could.
Yeah,
this is
true.
like, for, like, I'm thinking like, well, things that could kill me. Have you thought about getting like big birds to eat them?
Oh, that's
Like,
true, true.
Birds of prey.
I heard Big Bird's left Sesame Street now, so he's free for business.
I would definitely have the turning hand
Of
at
course.
Yeah.
I've always thought I'd
You
do
know
that.
that
I've
is
just never gotten
that
around
bird
to
could
it.
definitely fuck up pretty much anything.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
you
yeah.
could use a cat. You could
Mhm.
get the cat to kill people.
I'll just get yellow bird, bro.
Yeah, so I'm saying he's left Sesame Street now, so he's free.
Ever since they
There's not much going on.
movement system for Vive, where you move,
I've just never gotten around to, you know, hitting him up and asking him if he wants to murder someone.
I want to fuck up Peppa Pig, to be honest. I just have this vendetta against her, you know? Sometimes.
That's not hard on the track.
If you're going, as long as you're going Sesame Street, you should get the trash can guy because he knows how to get rid of a body really easily.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You just you give the other guy some cookies and he does anything you ask. Anything. He's got.
Alright, I'll keep them in mind.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
seems like there's some down crew for mine.
The Muppets are okay too, but the Muppets can be a bit iffy. You just gotta really, like, be careful.
Kermit's the most trustworthy one.
Yeah, yeah.
Kermit.
I'll probably just.
You know, he's got a lot of shady
He has
motivations.
a lot of charisma. He can convince
We've all-
the others of
Yeah,
anything.
We've all seen the Dark Kermit meme.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Kermit's got a fucked up side.
Hack the shit around the legs, like mask, blah blah blah, everything.
He really does.
And work from there.
He's like, I think he might be bipolar.
The hair though.
Or split personality, I'm not sure, but he's definitely like, you know, he can flip like that.
No.
I think he's a psychopath in his normal like
I need to make
Rainbow Connection base is like, you know, that's just the
All up front, yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, who would win you out of Jigsaw?
Angry face.
Well, as long as
Oh, okay. You don't need to so down on yourself, Chucky.
No, Chucky, because Sod never kills anyone.
Give me back the
You
blade.
play
Yeah,
games.
We'll be okay. How about that?
It was harmless, okay? It was just.
Well, okay, how much prep time does Jigsaw have?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. He's not going to be good on the fly, but give him a week. Bang, you know?
Alright, we got money back. Yeah, we got money.
Get off the toilet.
What?
before
Yeah,
someone-
he's the real murder MacGyver there.
Mhm.
Give him a toothpick,
You know what?
some
I bet
dental
your
floss,
voice is
And a
quieter
bear
because
trap.
it's on Discord.
and a bear trap.
I'll be right back.
So basically, an actual trap.
Lou's got the dance moves, though. saw that, LaFon.
Look at your stream.
Oh, shit.
I gotta look at your stream.
It was LaFon's dance.
Oh my god.
Oh, LaFon. You got the best dance moves, you know?